In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize your online store by creating dedicated pages for each of your product categories. This will not only streamline your website's layout, but also enhance the shopping experience for your customers, allowing them to easily navigate between different product types. First, we'll start by setting up new pages dedicated to each category you have in mind. Begin by locating the Pages and Navigation panel, which you'll find conveniently situated on the left side of your Builder interface. Once there, look for the option that says Add Page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to create a new page. This is where you'll want to get specific and name this page according to the product category it will feature. For instance, you might name one page T-shirts and another mugs, depending on what you offer. It's important to repeat this process for each category you want, ensuring that every category you have is represented on its own individual page. This setup will not only keep things organized, but also make it much easier for viewers to find exactly what they're looking for. Next, it's time to bring your products onto these newly created pages with a product list section. To do this, open one of the category pages you just set up. You'll notice an option to Add section, so go ahead and click that. From the options provided, find and select an online store feature, then specifically choose a product list section. This will allow you to display your products in an organized list format that shoppers will find intuitive and easy to browse through. To fine-tune this section so it reflects the correct products, click Edit section. Within this editing menu, navigate to the Category tab. This is a pivotal step where you'll select the specific category you wish to display on this particular page. For instance, if you're working on your T-shirts page, you should select the corresponding T-shirts category so that only relevant products appear. Finally, you'll want to repeat this process for each new category page you've created. Make sure to select the appropriate category for every page's product list section to ensure that your online storefront is both comprehensive and user-friendly. The result will be a sleek, well-organized website that not only looks professional, but also enhances the shopping experience for your visitors by making it easy for them to find exactly what they're looking for. And there you have it. Following these steps will turn your store into a well-organized, customer-friendly space online. Keep checking back for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital shopping environment